Hi everyone, this is Brian from Yeti Racecraft. I'm just going to do a quick video showing the steps of installing our modular wing kit on a Mark 5 R32. It'll be very similar for the other Marks. I've got a Mark 7 in the works right now as well, but take a look at how it all goes together, and then afterwards I'll come back and go through some of the aerodynamic benefits of the kit. Here we are with the finished installation. I'm going to do a few tweaks because this is a prototype, but I wanted to walk through some of the details. Obviously, we have a hard mounting to the top of the hatch. Nice aerodynamic profile there because it kind of fills in next to the factory spoiler. As you can see, canards supporting the end plates laterally. And then you can see the angle adjustments on the wing. Obviously quite a bit larger airfoil in this case, 8.8 inches, a deeper chord, quite a bit more surface area. You can also see we've got our vertical gurney flaps here as well. And reverse angle. Again, you can see that top hatch mounting, how flush that actually is. Draws up pretty tight against the hatch itself, making for good flow, laminar flow coming off the roof. And we've also got our venturi gaps here. It's kind of a big feature of this wing in conjunction with the new gurney flaps on the back. It's going to draw a lot more air in and up, strengthen that vortex, the underwing vortex that comes off the bottom edge of the wing, and then you can see our vortex notch is set up to accentuate that as well. So air coming up, over and out in that area. And it's going to give you some really strong underwing vortexes, which strengthens the suction side of the wing. And of course, you can see the whole bracketed area there with a large area of free stream flow that goes through over the top of the regular spoiler there, and then, you know, down underneath the suction side of the wing. And that's the Yeti Racecraft Mark 5 modular wing system, folks.